Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Candy Crush pins. These special collectible items are earned through various in-game activities and provide exciting bonuses to enhance your gameplay. You can easily access and manage your entire collection of pins directly from your game profile. Understanding what each pin offers is key to maximizing your progress and enjoying a more rewarding experience. We will cover everything from earning them to strategically activating their powerful effects. Earning Candy Crush pins is an engaging part of the game. You'll typically acquire them by successfully completing specific in-game challenges, participating in special limited-time events, or reaching significant milestones as you progress through levels. Keep an eye out for notifications about new events, as these are often the best opportunities to add unique and powerful pins to your collection. Actively engaging with these challenges will quickly expand your pin inventory. Once you've collected some pins, activating them is straightforward. From the main game screen, simply navigate to your pin collection. Here, you can browse all your acquired pins and view their individual benefits. To use a pin, select it and then tap the Activate button. Remember, most pins have a specific duration, such as 24 hours or a limited number of uses, so choose wisely when to deploy their power for maximum impact on your game. Candy Crush pins offer a wide array of benefits, from granting extra moves and powerful boosters to increasing your scores on challenging levels. The key is strategic activation. Consider deploying a pin just before attempting a particularly difficult level or during a crucial event to give yourself a significant advantage. Combining pin effects with other in-game boosters can create incredibly powerful synergies, helping you clear levels more efficiently and achieve higher scores. Collect them all for special bonuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.